Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name in Survivor.io application. If you want to change your in-game name in Survivor.io, first of all, open up the Survivor.io application on your device and from the main screen, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now, tap the pencil icon right next to your current name and then enter a new name that you'd like to change to. Now, in order to change your name, you will need to pay with 100 gens. Simply click on the 100 button in green and you will be able to change your name successfully. So that is how you easily change your in-game name in Survivor.io. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.